also I gotta get on the road because I'm headed into Minneapolis to get adjusted finally. Once my low back starts to hurt, I know I need an adjustment now. So if you guys don't know already, I am a chiropractor. I own my own business, Chirofitgym. And so since I'm not working with any other docs, I don't get adjusted nearly as often as I used to. So I like to get adjusted like once a week, honestly. But I'm headed into Minneapolis now. I also have to check out another potential spot I'm looking to get into, actually buying it, but we'll see. I'm just gonna check it out. And we got a busy day. I got clients later on. I got a lot of work to do on the computer, so let's get to it. Traffic is kind of a nightmare at this time, but gotta do what you gotta do. So thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I have not eaten yet, so this is kind of my go-to, is coffee and a little bit of almond milk and protein powder. It's delicious. Oh yeah, that's like what gets me the...
Anything bugging you today?
Just my low back, kind of. No, I think that now since my upper back doesn't hurt so bad, I notice it more. Got to me on like the fill out stuff, like the pricing of it.
Yeah.
It was $85,000, so I was like, yeah. I was like, you're dreaming. Like, I'm not paying that, so I'm looking at a few other spaces that are already built out. So just like a turnkey type of.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I wish I would have known that to begin with.
25 people in an hour and a half or so.
Oh, nice.
Took my first 3-day weekend ever. And then I was able to have a party on Monday with like 20 people came over.
The lake is pretty nice.
A boat?
Yeah, my cousin does. He has a pontoon and jet skis, so. There you go.
Now you're moving. Right side down? It's at 5 o'clock, so we'll see. Flip around.
Always smiling, it's so funny.
Yeah, he's a happy kid.
Oh, the time.
I've done like nutrition classes during the year for like Graston or something.
Yeah.
Kind of like Chiropractor.
Right.
And this is what's been bugging me, this CT junction on the right.
That's horrid stuff.
Saturdays.
Yeah, this guy's a little tight. My neck feels super stiff. It doesn't want to move.
It feels better. I feel 100 times better. Like my back feels like my back and my neck, like I can move my neck. So good. I'll see what's next. First of all, I gotta check out that place real quick. It's actually
a gym, so that's what's kind of cool about it. Finally back home, I checked out that spot. I pretty much just wanted to make sure it was in a good part of town, in a good location, but no one was there, so I couldn't get into the actual building. But I'm checking out 2 more spots tomorrow that I'm a little bit more interested in, so we'll see how those go. But gonna get some breakfast and maybe do some cardio here real quick, and then we got clients the rest of the day. So busy day, good day. And I just want to thank you guys for checking out the video. Please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe for more good content, and check out chirofitgym.com for chiropractic services, apparel, rocking one of the Chirofit tanks, which isn't on the site, it's just a sample, but we got the pink dad hats on the site, which I absolutely love this hat. So yeah, check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.